The area was hit with another snowstorm on Wednesday, April 16th. The Spooner Ag Research Station reported over 11 inches falling, adding to over the 109 inches of snow received this winter season. The spring storm led county schools closing early on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, April 17th, Spooner and Shell Lake schools closed, and Northwood and Brichwood schools delayed opening by 2 hours. The latest snowstorm has left many shaking their heads and wishing it looked and felt more like spring outside than another week of winter.